Welcome back to another episode of Cooking at Home with Sloane. Today we're going to make one of my family's favorite banana chocolate chip muffins. First we're going to add 2 bananas. Peel 2 or 3 bananas. We only have 2. Next we're gonna mash the bananas up. Oh my. With a fork or a potato masher. I'm using a potato masher. Next we add 1 egg to the bowl, the mixing bowl. Throw the egg in the sink. At least that's what I do. Next we're going to add a 3/4 cup of sugar. Sugar has to be so far away from it. Then you add 1/3 of a cup of melted butter. Then you whisk it all up. With a whisker, whatever, I don't care. Then you're gonna add 1.5 cup of this flour, what doesn't want to be opened. Teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. Then you mix it all up. Then you add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. More. There you got any. Now then mix it. I need more. More chocolate chips. The more the better. It's easier to mix with a spatula. My dad gave me this spoon. Then you add batter into the muffin pan. Why did I want to say butter? Probably gonna need more. The muffin tray, you put it in the oven for 25 minutes and make sure the oven is at 350 degrees. And my dad's gonna put it in. Then he's putting it in. Start cleaning up. Is my favorite part. Ooh, chocolate chip. After roll it around, you take the that's bananas.